Good morning, guys, and welcome back to my vlogs. Today is the second day I'll be vlogging, and yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna start with skincare because I haven't done that yet, but I have already washed my face. I use it's like the super food cleanser, the Gracyn Sephora. It's not that easy to use. I don't know if you guys know like what she uses, but it's the cleanser she uses. It's like a black box. I don't know, but I love it. It's like amazing. Oh, this is the toner I'm using. This is actually so good. Like, I swear by this stuff. It smells so amazing, and I want to get the face wash once my other one like runs out, because my sister has a face wash and she says it's really good. So I think I might need to get that. So now I'm using CeraVe. I have a big bottle in my bathroom, but that's for like nighttime, I guess. And then I'm using some of my Gracyn Dewdrops in the bronze color, but the pump isn't working for some reason, so that's unfortunate. But yeah, I'm kind of just gonna do this. I don't want this video to be like 45 years long, so I'll probably speed this up. Like, not this part, but I'll speed up like the next parts, I think, because I talk too much. But yeah, okay, now I'm gonna go to makeup. Okay, I'm gonna video so I can like see what I'm ready. My ear kind of because I started on there, so that's why. Alexa, play music. No. Alexa, play songs by the Biggest Hits.
Audrey Hobart.
No, I don't want Audrey Hobart. Bro. Alexa, play today's top hits.
Today's top hits from Spotify.
This is the song. Okay. So just there. I know. Once I leave, I'll show you. Don't mind how messy iron is. Okay. I don't want this to be boring, so like, I'm trying to make it like, it's gonna be sped up, but like
6, 7, I just been real.
I use the elf, but I use this side for the last time. I'm scared. So I take this mascara right here, and it goes like this, and it like you can't I don't have to realize it's really gooey. So you have to put on for your lashes, and you let them dry. If they don't dry, they will go, it's like a lash gel kind of. So if they don't dry in time, then your lashes will grow. So yeah, it's on this. This is I have mirrors, so I can do every different one. So now blush. It looks so like painted. I think it's like one. I like. Okay, now beside these brows. Alexa, next. Oh, Alexa, next song. Okay. And then see. Next, see it. Oh my god. That's so gross. No. It smells really good, and it like lasts like all day, I think. Like, I like it. It smells pretty good. It's vanilla and raspberry. It's pretty good, I feel like. Okay, next, Billie Eilish perfume. This like leaks when I'm using it. Got it in my mouth. So I just finished editing those last clips. I'm like still haven't really done much today. Like, I've literally been saying that I might go down to like Starbucks or something. But I was playing music in the background, so I hope I don't get copyrighted. I don't really know like how copywriting works, but I just hope I don't get copyrighted. Okay, hey guys, it's been a little bit, but we've been looking for my ID card since yesterday, and I haven't been able to find it. So now my dad is gonna take me back to Best Buy, TJ Maxx, and Tilly's, which are the 3 places we went yesterday. And we're gonna see if anyone found it and turned it in. Because if so, I really need that ID card because But like, here's my thing, I don't remember taking it with me. So if it is there, I'm gonna be really confused. And none of them had my ID card, so I don't know where it is. I've literally been laying on my couch for like the literal past like hour and a half doing nothing because we went to the stores like I said in the last clip, and we cannot find my ID card literally anywhere, which is so weird. Like, I don't know how I just like lost it, like, and it just vanished because we've literally searched everywhere. But my room is a literal mess, so I think I'm gonna clean it and like kind of deep clean, not really, because I just recently deep cleaned it, but like reorganize some things. Hey guys, I didn't clean my room like at all, and we're at the beach now.
Girl, get your.
Why does my hair look like it's wet?
Say hi.
Oh, my forehead is.
Oh, you can't see. Oh, so it's mine.
Okay.
Guys, say hi. Guys, those are my new friends. Case. Hayden.
No, I'm saying.
Hi vlog.
I'm joking.
Hey vlog. This is my 6'7" tattoo. It's like inverted, which I don't know why, but it's fine. Hey guys. We are now at the bonfire. Hayden, say hi.
Hi.
Vlog.
Is this your vlog?
Yeah. It's going on the YouTube. Yeah, we're at the bonfire part of it. We just finished taking pics. Kylie, say hi.
Oh my god, my posture sucks.
All right, that's it for the night. Bye.
Bye.
Bye, vlog.